Well, I got into the aircraft business about 30 years ago. Started off just cleaning aircraft and working with a licensed aircraft mechanic to get the on-job training, and then through a period of about 3 years obtained my own license. Went from there and had worked for an FBO here on the field at the time for approximately a year, and then branched off from there into business for myself, and this year would mark the 30th year to be in business. We maintain aircraft all the way from the Meridian Aviation rental aircraft, which is a Cessna 152, up to a corporate-owned Citation Sovereign worth $16 million. We currently have a vast inventory of parts which support the type of aircraft that we work on, being the Cessna Citations and King Airs. We carry everything to do the basic inspection to the repairs, and it's based off of the things that we've seen in the past that we routinely use.
Schenke meine Zeit der Plattform.